to the dump, to the dump, to the dump, dump, dump.
Hey,
Willow. Hi, Willow.
my Willow doing
Yep.
something.
Last trash run, getting all the trash out,
Yeah.
so we don't have to leave it on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Because we could schedule for like a bulk pickup, but I know that they would not take 100% of the stuff that we do have to throw out. They really only do like furniture items, and we have other things like wood and such, some metal items, and they won't take that. So if we had to come to the dump anyway, we might as well bring everything. All right, let's go unload.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors.
Hello. I know I'm supposed to be recording Dad throwing trash out, but I like to record Willow. Hi, Willow. How you doing? High five. High five, pretty girl. Ah! Hi, Mom. First time in the dump. Or landfill, yeah, dump. Not the dump as in the furniture.
That doesn't get you wet.
Nope, it didn't. Just throw it. Just throw it. I would help him, but right now my sciatic is acting up. After a couple of days of...
Is that day 4, Rob?
I don't remember. I don't know.
Like that, day
It's
4
like a
back.
couple of days. Yeah, it's a
Ah,
couple.
damn it, that flew over there.
Aww. But yeah.
Grab it.
Never. I'll try. Alright, let's see. Oh, I gotta grab whatever the hell he threw over here. What he throw? Oh. Yeah, you did, didn't you? Oh, no. Yeah. You're fine. Hey, pretty girl. Remember, we have soft paws, so that's good. And your nails are trimmed. So that's a plus. That means we don't scratch Grandma's truck.
Yeah.
Yep. Mama does her pedicures. Are we done? Say, are we done yet? Whoa. Gotta zoom out for you. Look at you. 5-month-old.
My toys. Mommy. Mommy, my toys.
You're gonna get more. Don't worry about it.
We gotta go around to dump the metal off the other spot.
Aye, aye, Captain. All right, Willow. Are you ready? Let's go.
All right, so one room is completely done, other than the tripod and the stroller for the little one. Still got to put those 2 items into the trailer, but that's basically, that room is done. So this is what we got left here. Obviously, we still got to sleep there, and then come back here. Ooh. Room is completely empty. So there we go. Come over here. We still got basically our CPAP stuff. This stuff is going to get moved out to the living room. The last little bit here. Everything's going to get moved out. That way we can start cleaning, getting everything packed up, what's left, and then we'll be rolling out in the morning. But by the time you guys see this video, I'm gonna schedule this one to release for tomorrow, so we're not gonna have one posting today. That's fine. And all of our stuff still in the kitchen. Hi, baby.
My makeshift plates.
Here. Oh yeah, makeshift plates. We're using
Paper plates.
packing paper.
Alright.
And then out here, so this basically all that's left. We got this little things here, yard tools, a little bit of blacksmithing stuff. So most of that's going to go into the back of the Toyota, and then just a little bit of items here. This was the stuff that was in that shed off to the side, most of it. And then this, so we still have the about 40%, 30% left of the U-Haul trailer. But still got quite a bit left on the car hauler trailer. But before we start putting any of these smaller items onto that, we wanted to get the washer and dryer put onto that trailer. And then we're going to roll the tarp completely back and just start filling in holes with some of this little smaller stuff. Whew, yeah, 4 days of just straight packing. Like on the other one, the last video said is for the birds. And yes, thank you, Wayne. They said birds don't pack, they just start afresh everywhere they go. Well, we are starting afresh, but we do have to take quite a few things. But a lot of this stuff is actually going to go into storage because we're going to be living in a trailer. So we don't have a place to put any of this stuff currently. Now, we do have a friend that we're going to stay at, my buddy James. That's who we're going to be staying with currently until we actually can land our property. We're still working with the bank on that to see if we're going to get that or not. If for whatever reason we can't do it right now, then c'est la vie. We'll continue to look, and it just wasn't meant to be. So, but until next time, all right, had to switch you guys up, different hand. But until next time, yeah, we definitely appreciate you guys following this journey. Give us that thumbs up, share us out to your friends, greatly appreciated. Go ahead and subscribe if you made it this far. It's free, right? All right, but make sure you thank a veteran every chance you get, and we'll see y'all in Arkansas. Bye-bye now.